Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and solid-state drive. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cable from the system board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade tablet performance. Carefully disconnect the aux wireless LAN antenna cable from the system board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the aux wireless LAN antenna cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Disconnect the left speaker cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the 2.3 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the left speaker to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the left speaker off of the display enclosure and remove. Important: the wireless LAN antenna cannot be reused once removed from the left speaker. A new wireless antenna must be applied to the left speaker prior to installation. Reverse this procedure to install the left speaker.